One of the best sourdough starters I've done ever. Fantastic.
Okay, welcome to the Virtuous Mountain Woman channel. We're going to do something different today. So I'm cooking. I've not cooked on this channel for quite a while. I've been trying to keep that to my other channel. But today I'm using sourdough as part of the mixture to make when I'm making the batter for the cobbler. So I'm making cherry cobbler. I'm using sourdough starter and mixing it in to reduce the gluten. So we have a good amount of sourdough starter in the cobbler mix. So come along with me and see how you like that. Watch step by step and make comments if you wish. Just take my glasses off for a while. So I'm in my new studio here. I'm showing everyone. Just because I'm in my office, which I've done, I'm tripling up my office. So it's taken us a while to get to this point. And I'll be showing you on my other video because my husband is actually doing some, fitting around the bulkheads. So that we can get lighting and stuff like that more in here. But in the interim, I've got myself a nice little office. And if you look out the window, make my space so you can look out the window, you'll see that we directly into our little patch there. We're growing potatoes, zucchini. I'm trying to get some peonies, beautiful flowers going. We've got a wildflower garden. You can drop onto our other videos and just check on those and see if you like things. But today we're just going to be following along when I'm making cherry cobbler, which from the fresh cherries that I've picked with my friends in the farming community, and I'm using the sourdough mix inside this to reduce the gluten, to make it as really good and palatable for my husband, who has to have gluten-free in everything. So try and come along and see if you like it and make some comments and subscribe. I really appreciate the subscriptions and people coming along with me on this journey as a woman of color, a black woman living up here in the mountains in Canada. Thank you for watching and come along and enjoy this wonderful making of cobbler. I've never done it before, but it just see what you think, and please go along and take the recipe if you like and have a try at it yourself and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your coming along to watching this video. To be moving on to the ingredients, we've just seen the sourdough is ready, and then we have the fresh cherries, and here we have the cherries that's in boiling. And we're adding all the ingredients there. As you can see, the ingredients are evident there. The brown sugar, the white sugar. There's a sourdough there. You can see everything clearly. Now we've got the mix, the batter mix. And we've added that we melted the butter in the baking tray. And the flour mix, the ingredients there, flour, sourdough, milk. Then we pour in the cherry that's been boiled with all the ingredients on top of the batter, and then we're just going to just leave it like that, just move it around a little bit, and then that will go straight into the oven. There we are, they're in the oven, they're baking. I've had to do two separate because there's so much I've doubled up the mixture. They're doing well.
Cherry cobbler, this is.
Then we're going to take out the first lot there. See it's sizzling, boiling. And as you can see, the mixture and the butter is just floating there. It's still boiling because it's so active, just coming out of the oven. There's the second one that's finished now. You can see it's nice, and then here we have it served just in a dish. And thank you for